This video shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes. So yeah, had to be fast. Oh, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Working back on the Suzuki Jimny. And in today's video, we have this little toy. This is a little version of a train horn. So I have a Suzuki Jimny, I do not have a train or like a big ass American truck and a small penis, so I didn't went for the full retard giant train horn that scares the shit out of people and causes some heart attacks. Yeah, air horns are pretty straightforward. We have the air pump, we have two horns, one bigger, one smaller, we have the relay, and we got some brackets. And in less than 5 minutes I already lost the hose. I started looking for it, couldn't find it. 5 minutes later I just realized I put it around my neck for a thumbnail. So yeah, sometimes I'm such an idiot. Ooh, nice and warm. I don't know if you follow me on TikTok, Smokey SMP, probably on TikTok, not really sure, don't really care about TikTok, but I did clean my engine. With a little brush and a little dusty. Check out the engine. That thing looks brand spanking new. And last week when we were installing the winch, I know for a fact that the horn, original horn, is right behind this grill. We're gonna have to take the grill out. As I do not have professional lighting in the garage just yet, that works pretty fine. Gotta have my tea. So it's all looking a little bit gnarly because, well, I made a little of a test setup. Because this thing does take a lot of power, and if you put it on the original wiring, it's probably gonna cause a nuclear meltdown or something like that. Not really sure. So I made a little mock-up. It doesn't really look that good, but gotta try it first. You know, see if all things work. That seemed to work pretty fine. I think there's like blood coming out of my ear. God dang it, that was loud. No, I was thinking, I'm replacing the horns and the air pump, of course, but the original horn was like right in the way of this big hole, and that big hole is helping out a lot with cooling down the engine. So, it got me thinking. At first, I was going to place the horns right over there, but yeah, I put them down here. So I got more engine cooling. Now I only have to figure out where I'm going to place the air pump. And that's a pretty good spot. Easy to reach, in case the cops pull me over and I have to take it out right away. Easy as that. Garage is looking like a mess. God dang it. Let's pop that grill back in and let's see how it sounds from the outside. It's loud, it's loud. I can tell already, it's loud. And look, this is what I mean with the original horn. Look at that. So the original horn was placed over there. So now I got like 50% more air going in. Cold air going straight into the engine. This is going to save like at least 10 horsepower. At least. Gotta be. That thing is loud as hell. I gotta scare some people, for sure. Yeah, that thing is pretty loud. So, gonna hop in the Brabus, gonna leave the Jimny here because tomorrow I'm gonna probably install the LED bar on top of it. So yeah, gonna leave the Jimny here tonight. Gonna hop into the Brabus, gonna head home, gonna eat some McDonald's. I'm pretty hungry. Yeah, gonna eat some McDonald's. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to know the brand of this small air horn. I gotta make some more videos with it. Really gotta do some pranks. I really don't like to do some pranks, but just have to. Maybe on friends. Gotta do some pranks on friends. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, it's free, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, drive safe.